Here I've got XIAOMI Mi 10 and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, then click on Start Chat, and as you can see now we are set up with English. If you would like to change it, just click on the settings icon, select languages, go to Add Keyboard, and just pick the one that you would like to apply. So here you've got all the options. As you can see, the list is pretty wide, so no matter which language you would like to apply, you will find it here. Let me scroll down to the very bottom of the list. As you can see, you've got very lot of languages here. And now let me pick, for example, Yiddish, tap on Done, and now let me remove English, so we have one language only. Now if you will go back, you will notice the difference. So this is it. This is how you can change keyboard dictionary. Then if you would like to change language again, do the same thing. So just go to the settings, pick languages, tap on Add Keyboard, choose for example English, tap on Done, remove the current language, and now we are back in English. This is it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.